Hello, my name is Deepal and today's video topic is exception handling in Java. So we discuss about exception handling. The exception handling in Java is one of the powerful mechanism to handle the runtime error so that the normal flow of the applications can be maintained. In this tutorial, we will learn about the Java exceptions, its types, and the difference between checked and unchecked exception. Uh, so, firstly, we discuss about what is exception in Java. So, in a exception is a abnormal condition in Java. An exception is an event that disrupts the normal flow of the program. It is an object which is thrown at the runtime. Exception. What is the exception handling? So exception handling is a mechanism to handle a runtime error such as the class not found error, class not found exception, IO exception, SQL exception, remote exception, etc. So advantages of exception. Uh, the handling the core advantage of the exception handling is to maintain the normal flow of the application. An exception normally disrupt the normal flow of the applications. That is the way we need to handle exception. Types of Next we discuss about the types of exception. So there are mainly two types of exception: checked and unchecked exception. So an error is considered as the unchecked exception. However, according to the Oracle, there are three types of the exception namely. So checked exception, unchecked exception, and error. So we discuss about the firstly checked exception. The classes that directly inherit in the throwable class except the runtime exception and error are known as checked exception. For example, IO exception, SQL exception, etc. So checked exception are checked at the compile time, and the next we discuss about unchecked exception. So the class that inherit the runtime exception are known as unchecked exception. So for example, arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, and array index out of bound exception. Uh, so unchecked exception are not checked at the compile time, but they are checked at the runtime. Third one is a error. So error is a inconvertible. Some example for error are out of memory error, virtual machine error, and accessioner error. So in a Java, exception keyword some use. So firstly, try. The try keyword is used to specify the block where we should place the exception code. It is mean we can't use try block alone. The try block must be followed by the either catch or finally block. So second one is catch block used to handle the exception. It must be preceded by try block, which means can't use the block alone. Um, Third one is a finally. So finally block is used to execute the necessary code of the program. It is executed whether an exception is handled or not. Fourth one is a throw. So the throw keyword is used to the throw an exception. Throw keyword is used to declare exception. It is specified that their way offered an exception is the method. It does not throw an exception. It is always used to method signature. So these are the information about exception handling and exception. Thank you so much.